Alright guys, so today we're here with my boy Lou.
What's up, guys?
His 2006 Mustang. And just tell me what you have done to it right now.
Alright, so starting from the front, performance-wise, I got a strut tower brace as well as a cold air intake from Ford Performance. Then I have 1.5 drop springs on all 4 wheels. I got an SCT flash tuner with a 93 race tune. And then I'm rocking PYPES muffler delete and a PYPES off-road X pipe. And that's about it for the performance-wise.
And how much horsepower and torque would you say?
Alright, so with all the mods I've done, it's probably like 305 horsepower, 325 torque, so not a lot, but enough.
Alright, it's definitely enough. Alright, cool. Alright, so now we're gonna go around outside the car and just look at all the other modifications he has on it.
Alright, ready? Alright, so I have a GT500 spoiler, and then it's got a wicker bill made by my good friend Brandon66 Polar on Instagram. I got a blacked out deck lid panel, a diffuser from the same guy, Brandon, and then these are my PYPES muffler elite tips. And then I have niche Targa rims on the back, and then American Muscle S550 performance back rims on the front.
Alright. Had a rough experience with Ford today, right?